Sentient beings, hindered by afflictions, respectfully accept deviant teachings, slander the Mahayana, and interpret literally the doctrines of emptiness and existence as taught in the sutras. Following their understanding of the printed words, they develop aversions and attachments. If they wish to understand the essence of the teachings, they must follow worthy, beneficial spiritual friends. Discouraged by the extensive and abstruse wording of the sutras, people lose interest in them. They take ultimate and conventional truth to refer to the existence or non-existence of the dharmas of mind and sense objects. These then give rise to conceptualizations, which they either cling to or deny. Through the doctrine on the mere imaginary nature of all dharmas, the Buddha taught that all dharmas are without self-nature, neither arising nor ceasing, and are originally marks of nirvana. Because sentient beings, confused about the true marks of things, engage in deluded actions and flounder in the ocean of cyclic existence, that is, samsara, the holy Dharma King, having realized the nature of dharmas, employed skillful means to correspond to the varying capacities of sentient beings by expounding in words the dharma that is beyond words, in order to help them attain the truth of the middle way. A verse says, "Sometimes the Buddhas speak of self. Other times they speak of no self. All phenomena are, in reality, neither self nor no self." Other sutras also say that the Buddha used one voice to convey boundless teachings, and that different sentient beings comprehended them differently according to their own capabilities. The Buddha set forth various kinds of teachings in response to the different capacities of individuals. After the Buddha's nirvana, disputes concerning the self and dharmas arose. At first, attachment to existence was prevalent. To eradicate attachment to existence, the Venerable Nagarjuna and others gather true teachings to elucidate the purport of emptiness. For example, a verse says, "The true nature of conditioned things is empty, for such things are illusory and dependently arisen. Unconditioned things also lack substantial reality, for they are unsubstantial like flowers in the sky." On the level of conventional truth, all dharmas are existent, while according to the ultimate truth, all are empty. However, the nature of true emptiness is neither empty nor existent. It is only from the perspective of ultimate truth that the nature of all dharmas is seen as emptiness. Beings develop an erroneous view of emptiness. To eliminate both attachments to existence and emptiness, a verse says, "The mind that falsely discriminates exists. Both the self and dharmas lack true existence. In this false discrimination there is only emptiness, but in that emptiness there are also these self and dharmas. Therefore it is said that all dharmas are neither empty nor non-empty. Yet because there are non-being and being, this accords with the middle way." This is to say that conventionally self and dharmas exist, while ultimately both are empty. However, in order to eliminate clinging to emptiness or existence, the Buddha claimed that all dharmas are both existent and empty, or that they are neither empty nor existent. The nature of designations is free from the dual faults of existence and emptiness. From the perspective of ultimate truth, both emptiness and existence are asserted. Hence, the conditioned and the unconditioned are said to exist. The self and its possessions are said to be empty. Nevertheless, this does not mean that what exists or is empty is truly empty or existent. According to the Buddhist teachings, there is no contradiction between existence and emptiness. Since the Dharma is free from intellectual interpretation, how can there ultimately be existence or emptiness? It is to eradicate afflictions in accordance with the malady that existence and emptiness are expediently expounded.